A will or trust in place? If not, you're not alone, but it's one of the most essential steps in estate planning. Today, I'll explain it so that it's easy to start. Sunwook Jin, a certified financial planner dedicated to helping you boost your financial confidence through education and actionable steps. In this video, we're talking about the two core documents of estate planning, wills and trusts. By the end, you'll know which one is right for you or why you might need both. Will is a legal document that states who will inherit your belongings after you're gone. It's also where you can name a guardian for minor children, an executor to fulfill your wishes. Will, your state's law decide how your assets are divided, which may not be match your wishes. Think about it. Do you want a court to decide who gets what, or would you make those choices yourself instead? Let's talk about trust. A trust is like a treasure chest where you put your assets. You name your trustee to manage it, and they follow your instructions for how and when to distribute your assets. Different kinds of trusts, but two common ones are or irrevocable trust. Irrevocable trust allows you to stay in control during your lifetime, and it voids probate after your death. However, the irrevocable trust can't be changed once it is put in place, but it could offer some tax benefits and asset protection. Might be a good option if you own property, have a minor children, or want to control how your assets are distributed over time. It might also be a good option if you would like to provide for loved ones with special needs. The difference between a will and a trust? A will only take effect after you pass away and usually goes through probate, which is a public, sometimes lengthy process. On the other hand, a trust can manage your assets during your lifetime and after, often avoiding probate entirely. A will lets you name beneficiaries and guardians, while a trust helps you manage and distribute your assets more efficiently. Depending on your needs, you might use one or both to create an estate plan. If this information was helpful, hit the subscribe button for more financial tips. And don't miss the next video where we'll talk about naming beneficiaries and guardians, the people who will carry out your legacy.